class contains what? Methods. Select is what? Predefined class. What it contains? Whenever I say class contains methods. So select is one of the predefined class. Select is one of the predefined class. It is completely developed for handling the drop downs. It is completely developed for handling the drop down. So how to handle the drop down? Select class. Select class is having what? Methods. Example, which methods mostly used? Select by visible text and select by index. Visible text is one method. Select by index is another method. So it's up to you which method you wanted to use. You wanted to use select by visible text, or you wanted to use it by index. It's up to you, whichever you wanted to do, right? So drop down we discussed. What else we discussed today? Drop down example and only this one. Functions not needed, the previous one. HRM login, I said I have given the assignment to do it. Now I was mentioning to give you one more assignment. Is that okay? Are you fine taking up assignments? What is method? Huh? What is method overloading? Okay, what is polymorphism? Don't tell me too long. What is polymorphism? Many forms. Okay. How many ways you can achieve polymorphism? Two ways. One is method overloading, method overriding. Overloading means more than one method will have the same name, right? More than one method will have the same name. Mostly interview ask. I'm not sure for freshers you may get this question. What is the real-time example where you use method overloading? We understand more than one method with the same name. They will ask you, can you explain me in your automation project, where do we use method overloading? Mostly they used to ask me when I attend the interview, they used to ask me this question, where do you implement method overloading in your project? Real time, I mean automation. I will show you. I think Mamta, I can unmute you. You can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I'm unable to do in
Sorry?
Sir, Chrome. I'm unable to download, sir. It's already done. I did.
Which one?
Chrome driver, sir.
Okay. Is it saved in your local machine?
Yeah. I done. I zipped also, and I am doing continuously, but it is not able to import the Chrome driver, sir. While I'm working in the Selenium.
Okay, just give me 5 minutes. I will make you host after 5-10 minutes. Then
Okay.
I will see your screen. What is the problem? We'll understand. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Just remind me in the last.
Okay, thank you. Sir.
Yeah. Method overloading means more than one function will have the same name. Now, once you log into HRM, right? We have an option where something called PIM. PIM or yeah. So what it is having? What is the screen? You have search employee, search with employee name, search with ID, search with status, search with include, search with supervisor name, search with job title, search with sub unit. So what are you trying to do? You're always searching. What are you trying to do? You're always searching. What is changing while you are searching? Parameters are changing. First time you are searching with only employee name. So I will write one method. I will write one method called void search. Okay. With what I wanted to search, I wanted to search with employee name. Employee name is what? String. EM Okay, so I was just trying to give you an real-time example where we use method overloading. Let's say this is your project. This is your illegal exception. I think Sai Seshi, it is problem with your project. Try to create a new Java project. Finally, once you click on finish, it will ask you, do you want to create a module? Now, let's say this is your application where you have an option called search. You're searching with what? First time, employee name. Next time, ID. Now, I'll write one more function. I'll write what I'm doing, searching only. What I'm doing, searching only. What is changing? Parameters are changing. Next, I will write one more function called search. What it is now, it is with ID. This is the ID number. Number means it will take integer. So I will take int. What is the parameter name? ID. I will just put it as employee ID just to understand it very clear. Employee ID. This would be employee name. Next time, what I wanted to search, I wanted to search with both. I want to search with employee name and as well as employee ID. So what I can give you? String AMP name, comma, int EMP ID. Like this, I can write so many methods. If you can do this much, that's more than enough. You don't need to, if you understand this concept, is all same. If you want, you can write one more function to search with employee, only employee status, search with only include, search with employee name and supervisor name. Only search with supervisor name. So you will get so here we are going to use we use this method overload. Attend. So they will ask you what is method overloading. More than one method will have the same name. Where do we use it? Where do we use it? Can give an example. If an application is having search criteria, we can search with different parameters. Example, employee name, employee ID, or supervisor name, or employee salary. So all these are search. For every search, I can go ahead and write one search method. So for doing the automation of this one, what you guys have to do, first driver.get open the URL. After that, what you have to do, enter user ID and password. That code you already have. After that, where it is going to the dashboard. After that, it is going to the dashboard. From the dashboard, you have to click on what? PIM. Just click on PIM driver.find element by dot link text. By dot link text PIM. Just click on PIM. It will come here and it will click on the PIM. Now you want to search with only get the properties for this field. Use send keys. Next, click on search. That's all. That is for one function. That code should go under one parameter. The next search, they given HRM search employee. Search employee with the name and supervisor name. Search employee with employee status include string job title, string subunit. These are the parameters. Employee status include job title and subunit. Just try to don't take too much for freshers. It will not go more than that. Just go for implementing these three functions. That is sufficient. Okay, just try to implement with these features. Is it audible? Okay. I think someone was saying, okay, some issue. I said to remember. Who is that? Okay, I think issue is resolved. Maybe I don't know. Okay, so we'll stop it here for today. Try to do the assignment. I'll put this drop down. Once HRM is implemented,